Mr. Smith, talk me through this difference. So with the revised draft, the minimum word is 800 and the max is 1100. So with writing, it can be really helpful to do short assignments. That's actually another chapter of Anne Lamont's book. But notice with the shitty first draft, the word limit's actually bigger. There's a minimum of 1100 and a maximum of 1400. Why do you think I require the first draft, the shitty first draft, to be longer than the revised draft?
To me, it goes back to those quotes from Hemingway about getting everything out and then throwing away the garbage. You're purposefully giving them the room to put the garbage on the paper so they can throw it away.
Great. From the beginning, we have the sense of all your best writing is going to be mixed up with your worst. The purpose of a revision is to get rid of the worst. Some of you who have had a workshop with me where we talk about brief writing, we talk about the facts section being this big sort of universe, and your brief should be a small component of it. You should not regurgitate the transcript. If you're doing an appeal, you should not regurgitate the transcript of a trial court. You should pick out those facts that are really, really important. It has to be in the universe of the facts of the case, but it shouldn't be that whole universe. And we can think about drafting in the same way. Your first draft should be much larger. Your revised draft is going to be just the best parts of that first effort.